Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Benjamin Graham, known as the father of value investing, was the pioneer of fundamental valuation of securities. He introduced value investing and his disciple Warren Buffett popularized this investing approach and made billions using it. In this video, I'll be talking about cigar-butt investing, which was one of Benjamin Graham's favorite value investing styles. Benjamin Graham calls this investing approach as the net-net approach or deep value investing, while Warren Buffett calls it cigar-butt investing. Cigar-butt is the small part of a cigar that is left and thrown away after a person smokes. Cigar-butt investing is quite similar to this. It is an investment in a company that has run into problems and is either into deep trouble or is on the verge of liquidation, that is, shutting down. Now, on any given day, these companies are bad businesses due to their bad condition. However, sometimes they become so cheap that their market value is lower than what the owners would get if the company was shut down. This makes them a good investment to make quick profits. Let me give you an example. There is a company XYZ Limited. Its business is shut down and the company is going to be liquidated. On its balance sheet, there are payables, that is a liability of rupees 10,000. The company also has a factory building which is an asset. Now, for accounting purposes, the factory building is recorded at rupees 6,000. So from an accounting point of view, the company has a negative net worth of 4,000 rupees, that is 6,000 assets minus 10,000 liabilities. However, the market value of this factory building is rupees 1 lakh. So even if from an accounting point of view, the company appears to be worthless due to its negative net worth, the company is actually worth 90,000 rupees, because if the company is shut down and the factory building is sold for rupees 1 lakh, then even after paying 10,000 rupees to the creditors, the company would be left with 90,000 rupees. After looking at the negative net worth and bad condition of the business, people will feel that this business is worthless and its share price will almost become zero. However, if someone studies the balance sheet well, then he or she will realize that this company still has value. Now, this company is a cigar butt. Even after the business is shut down, there is still scope for an investor to make money out of it. An investor with sufficient capital will try to accumulate as many shares as possible of this company at very low prices. He will later hope that the market realizes the true worth of this company and the share price rises. Or he will try to accumulate more and more shares and gain control of the company and liquidate it as soon as possible to realize the profits. However, this investing approach is quite risky. There is a possibility that the company is in a worse condition than it actually appears to be in. Despite the extremely low valuation, the stock price falls further instead of rising. Due to this, instead of making a profit by selling the shares at a higher price, the investor ends up making a loss. There is also a possibility that the investor finds it very difficult to get the company liquidated and the liquidation doesn't happen for years. In such a case, despite the chances of making profits, it no longer remains worth it because the time taken is too much. In our example, if XYZ Limited takes 10 years to get liquidated, then it is not worth it to wait for so long. The investor is better off investing his money elsewhere. During the Great Depression, Benjamin Graham used this approach a lot and made a lot of money using it. Warren Buffett used cigar-butt investing in the initial years of his investing career, and even he made a lot of money using this approach. However, as his capital increased, he switched to investing in good quality companies with good management and a simple and effective business model. What is your opinion about this investing approach? Please mention it in the comment section. I would be glad to read. If you want to discuss any topic with me or you have video suggestions, then you can connect with me on social media. I've put the links in the description box. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Do share it with your friends and family who might be interested in finance. Stay tuned. Thank you.